right ke ngibe ngisisithi ke ububonga izibusiso zakho mfethu angithi so zonke uNkulunkulu akwenzele zona angithi it's
Yes.
countless ungathatha iminwe uthathe amazwane
It's
yonke
countless.
it's countless
That is why mina emaxesheni amaninzi ndiye ndithi ebantwini,
Mm.
sometimes when you are praying to God, just say, Lord, thank you so much.
Because ke zonke izinto uNkulunkulu azenza zona uma uyabona ngojele ke mawufuna ukwazi ngempilo uNkulunkulu njengokuthi uyabona kulezi vunguvungu ezenzakalayo uNkulunkulu is actually teaching us about life, you understand?
Exactly.
Impilo ngeke uzufunde lutho uma usenza izinto ntofontofo angeke uzufunde lutho, but once ke waba sebunzimeni ikhona lapho ke ongafunda khona ngempilo angithi
Kufuneka ugqithe ebunzimeni.
like today our show will examine the modern rise of insult culture, public shaming, and the degradation of mutual respect, contradicting the reality with the biblical teachings of speech and conduct. Into ke esizoyifunda namhlanje because we cannot shy away or we cannot just run away from what's happening. At the end of the day ke if ever mhlambe ke uthola ukuthi ke zikhona izinto ezenza kanje, educate people, understand, and jula isikhathi sokuthi ke ujule ngaseBhayibhelini, understand, read the Revelations, what it's actually telling about. Angithi when you're looking at us as we stay in this country, we stay according to the constitution. Angithi the
Yes.
constitution it actually extracted from the Bible. Bible is an act, right? The constitution was taken from the act.
From the Bible, yes.
From the act. The act is the Bible, understand? So now when everything goes wrong, we need to go to the chapters, which is our sections, certain sections in the Bible, understand? And then we read and understand what okay, if ever isn't ezikanje, this is how we should react in this manner, understand? Yes, there are a lot of people who are so delusional because we foresee what our leaders are doing and then we follow our leaders only to find that somehow there are some our leaders that they're no longer leading for them, they're only chasing what is beneficial to them. And let's look at the keys that will focus on the rise of insult, fame, the biblical respect, the loss of dignity. Zonke lezi zinto we will be covering today. And right ke ku 741 the breakfast behind a new generation ke sikithi mina bana ke futhi ke singene engomeni because ke kubalekile ke ukuthi ke mntana sekhaya ke ulinde ke ngengoma angithi right ke nanku uJumbo esithi ke singayapi right ke even sesifike nginikeze mntana sekhaya ke incwadi ke ozozifunda ke manje right ke ufunde lapha ke ku 2 Timothy 3 then ke incwadi ke enzoxela kuyona kakhulu then ke futhi ke ufunde ke ku ngifuna just ukuthi ke nginikeze ke ama verses uvuleke lapha ku Matthew 5 uqale ke ku 11 right ke sizobe singikutshela ukuthi ke lawo maBhayibheli lawo ma verse athini angithi right ke ku 741 the breakfast behind a new generation ke even sisithi ke nansi ke ingoma ke engikuthembise yona ke mntana sekhaya eka Jumbo right ke then ke after that then ke ngo-10 o'clock ukhumbule ke lapha ke so hluza umphefumulo angithi let's enjoy this one.